know if you read this, the NVIDIA cell company, about 18 months ago, came out with its first driverless car. And that doesn't sound terribly amazing because everybody has a driverless car now. But this one was different because it didn't need a human programmer to teach it how to drive. It learned to drive watching a human being drive. Now this is significant because we're all familiar, I think, with machine learning, are we? Machines, because they now, networks of computers can crunch so much data, they can see anomalies and patterns in the data, and as a result they can improve their own programming. In a sense, though not a human sense, they are learning. By the way, let me remind you that artificial intelligence is still artificial. People talk about, Professor Hawking talked about we may see the death of the human race. I don't really hold to that view. I really don't hold to that view because we can't even understand our own intelligence yet, much less emulate it in a machine. And I was on radio the other day with one of Oxford University's leading researchers into the area of artificial intelligence, and he said exactly the same thing. So we don't need to freak out too much about this. But machines can, in a rudimentary sense, improve their programming and learn. But deep learning is one step beyond that because technologists don't really know how it's happening. And that's what the NVIDIA car was doing, deep learning. They don't know how it's happening, but they're hopeful that it can be useful in curing diseases or revolutionizing industry.